Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best gaming consoles of 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 4. Sega Genesis Mini Gaming Console. If you're the nostalgic type, opt for the Sega Genesis Mini. A more compact replica of the iconic original, the console is preloaded with 42 iconic games from the 90s, including Sonic the Hedgehog, Shinobi 3, and Earthworm Jim, just to name a few. The Sega Genesis Mini has a well-deserved high review score from The Verge. The review editor noted that the product nails all of the basics, with great, adorable hardware and a varied selection of classic games. We like that the console looks just like the legendary original from decades ago, only a tad smaller. The Genesis Mini comes bundled with two of Sega's iconic 3-button gaming controllers. 3. Microsoft Series 10 Gaming Console. Launched alongside the mighty Xbox Series 10, the reasonably priced Xbox Series S is our favorite entry-level gaming console by Microsoft. The elegant console is capable of delivering HDR-enhanced gameplay in 1440p resolution at a brisk 120 frames per second. The Xbox Series S ships with a redesigned gaming controller as well. Like the pricier Xbox Series 10, the Series S is also compatible with an external keyboard and mouse. The gaming console can stream 4K and HDR video content from Netflix and other popular services, too. The console lacks a disk drive, but it ships with 512 GB of onboard memory, and it has support for expandable storage. 2. Nintendo Switch Gaming Console. The Nintendo Switch is not only the iconic brand's most popular product, but also the gadget can seamlessly transition from a mobile gaming device to a home gaming console by docking into a station. The Switch has innovative Joy-Con controllers and a constantly growing library of fun games with iconic characters. It's also backed by an impressive family of accessories, including the awesome Nintendo Labo kits. 1. Sony PlayStation 5 Gaming Console. Sony's thoroughly revamped PlayStation 5 gaming console, like the Xbox Series 10, has the ability to deliver 4K gameplay at up 120 frames per second, as well as 8K output capabilities. Sony's finest gaming console yet also feature fast memory and storage, so all interactions with it happen instantly. Like its predecessor, the PlayStation 5 is also capable of VR gaming. The PlayStation 5 comes with a brand new DualSense gaming controller. The bundled accessory has haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, a built-in microphone, and a standard audio jack.